In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header and footer in LibreOffice. If you've ever had page titles, dates, or page numbers clinging to the top or bottom of your pages, and you want a clean, distraction-free layout, this is for you. We'll do everything directly in LibreOffice Writer using the page style settings, which control how your pages look and behave. Start by opening LibreOffice Writer and loading the document you want to edit. Once your file is open, we'll take care of the header first. A header is the band of space across the top of each page, often used for titles or running information. To turn it off, go to the menu bar at the top and choose Format, then Page Style. This opens the Page Style dialog. The central place for page layout options, like margins, orientation, and of course, headers and footers. Inside the Page Style window, click the Header tab. You'll see a checkbox labeled Header On. Uncheck that box. If it was already unchecked, that means the header was not enabled for this page style. Click OK to apply the change. You should see the header area disappear, and your main content will shift up slightly to fill the space. If some pages still show a header afterward, those pages may be using a different page style, such as a first page or a custom style. In that case, repeat the same steps for that page style as well. Now let's remove the footer, which is the corresponding section at the bottom of each page. Open the same dialog again by choosing Format, then Page Style from the menu. This time, select the Footer tab. Uncheck the Footer On box, then click OK. The footer area will be removed for the current page style, taking any footer items like page numbers or dates out of view. If your document uses multiple page styles, repeat this on each one where a footer still appears. A quick note on behavior. Turning off a header or footer removes that space for the selected page style, which affects every page that uses it. You can always bring a header or footer back later by reopening page style and turning the option back on. When you're done, scroll through your document to confirm everything looks the way you want and that your content flows smoothly from top to bottom. That's all there is to it. You've cleaned up your pages by removing both the header and the footer in LibreOffice Writer using a simple, reliable method that keeps your formatting consistent.